So you have a bread and banana. Then, do this for your new recipe for merienda. Let's cook. Mayo. Then, you put in the bread. Then, fold in yung dulo, i-fold mo ng tinidor para mag-close siya, hindi siya tumapon. Then, i-dip egg. And then, breadcrumbs. Pagulong lang natin. Then, ganyan lang. Then, nag-init ako ng cooking oil. Then, frying. Ayan, kaya may binaliktad ko na. Then, kaya napapansin nyo guys na may kulay na ano yan, powder milk yan, powder cheese yan, nilagay ko. Then, already done. Simpleng merienda, pero crispy and yummy. You can do this guys, magugustuhan ng kids at saka pamilya ng buong pamilya. At pwede rin nating gawing negosyo.
Ito rin siyang pambenta. Crispy siya. Kaya may kulay orange. Nilagyan ko siya ng cheese powder. Kain. Yummy yum. Crunchy. Subukan nyo ito guys. Magugustuhan ng pamilya nyo. Merienda. Business pwede rin. Banana. Yummy. Crunchy. Thank you guys. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page and follow my TikTok. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Bye guys.